my new drone.
That was amazing, Jordie!
Thanks. It's the best drone ever. I want that drone.
Huh?
My drone! It's flying by itself.
Come on!
Whoa! This thing's tricky to steer.
Another lovely day in Petport. Whoa, whoa! What's going on? I'll stop this menace. Whoa!
Officer Freeze!
How do you control this thing?
Somebody help me!
Don't worry, Officer Freeze! We're coming for you! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a fire truck! It's okay, Officer Freeze! Grab my hand!
Thanks, you three. What is that thing?
It's my new drone, but it's flying by itself.
It's not flying by itself. It's flying by Winston. Look!
Stop, you silly drone!
After him!
What are we going to do?
Morphle! Morph into a crane! Drag the bus back to safety! Good job, Morphle!
Oh, thanks, guys. Oh, that close!
The drone! After it!
Get back here! Ah! Stop! No, please! We have to get that remote control.
And I know how! Morphle, morph into a helicopter! Yeah!
What, you useless thing? Oh!
Stay still, Morphle!
Morphle, try!
Thank you.
Hurry, Mila!
Great job, Mila.
Here you go, Jordie.
This is how you fly a drone.
Nicely done. Every day's a magical day with a magic cat.
One final touch, and ta-da! It's finished.
Yes!
I am Mila, queen of this castle.
I am April Delise.
I'm Jester Jordie. And I dub thee the bravest knight in the kingdom, Sir Morphle.
Yeah!
Come on, let's play.
Oh, Orphle wanna play in castle too! No fair!
You're so funny, Jester Jordie. We're under attack! Morphle, do something! Soccer shoe? Great idea!
I'll help with my magic. Alakazoo! Alakazam! Send those balls back! Bam, bam, bam!
Oh, Orphle knocked down gate!
The castle is safe again, thanks to Brave Knight Sir Morphle and Magic Wizard April.
Yeah! He's going to knock down the gate!
Follow me! Get ready! Now! Take it away, Morphle! Bye! Thanks to Sir Morphle, the kingdom is safe again. Ah!
our game. All you had to do was ask.
Sorry.
I've got a great idea. Cool. I named this Castle Morphle Orphle. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Okay. Here you go. Good gobble frog. Good gobble frog. Huh? Still hungry? But you've eaten all the snacks!
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Mila. Gobble Frog is hungry, and we've run out of food. We need food, and we need it now.
How about a pizza?
One pizza coming right up.
Hang in there, Daddy.
Hurry, Mila!
Excuse you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Morphle, morph into a pizza delivery van. Pizza, prepare to be gobbled. Aw, baby piggies. Wait, I know what you're doing. This is for Gobble Frog. Oh, no, you don't. We have to take this pizza to Daddy. It's an emergency.
Coffee and donuts are ready.
Now that's an emergency.
The pizza! Morphle, we need to get that pizza fast. Whoa! Hi, Daddy.
Are you almost here with a pizza, Mila?
I've nearly got it. We'll be with you as soon as we can. Gotta go. Almost. Almost. Gotcha. Bring me up, Morphle. Whoa. Morphle, help. Great catching, Morphle. Now we need to get to Daddy. Morphle and some rocket boosters. Let's go! Yeehaw! Ah, Daddy!
Hi, Mila! Oh, am I glad to see you!
Yikes! Who wants some delicious pizza? Here, Gobble Frog! Catch!
Phew! Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome, Daddy. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Amazing work, Chroma. Oh, are you feeling okay?
Oh, my lovely cafe!
Don't worry, Chroma. I know what will make you feel better. Here, Chroma. Magic pet tea. It'll make you feel better in no time.
Mila, what have you given him?
Oh no, that's regular sweet tea, not magic pet tea. Sugar rush. Morphle, he's racing off. Morphle, we need to get Chroma's magic pet tea as quickly as possible to the Magic Pet Center.
What? Not in my city.
I'll be right back. Here, I got Chroma's magic pet tea.
But why Chroma?
I know! Morphle! Morph into a satellite so we can scan the whole city!
Morph, morph, morph!
Woohoo!
Beep, beep, beep! Chroma and Bark!
Let's get him! Ah! Look at us! Chroma, we've got your magic pet tea! We're gonna need a lot of arms to hold him still. Quick! Catch him, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! Chroma's cured! Wow!
My car is beautiful again.
That looks better.
Not again! Every day is a colorful day with a magic pet. The babies are up on that roof. Morphle, I need to have a better look. Good thinking, Morphle. Woohoo! Whee! Aw, they're so cute. Look! Oh no! Stay away from the edge! Morphle, get us up there quick, but don't scare them. Oh, they're really excited to meet you, Morphle.
Hello, babies!
Look out!
Morphle save babies!
Cuteness overload. Great work, Morphle. I want to be like you, Morphle. Look, Morphe makes them tired. Catch those babies!
Here you go, bud. Ice cream.
Aw, cute! It looks like the baby Morphles can only morph once before they have to rest. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Yes! Let's take them to the Magic Pet Center. Daddy will know what to do.
Oh, real baby Morphles? This is incredible! I wonder what their names are. Oh, that must be their names. Nice to meet you, Moe, Fifi, and Lily. How would you like to live with us?
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. And 3 magic babies. 2 birds. Ooh, 2 butterflies. Yay! Oh, your turn, Morphle.
Huh? 2 kids!
Good job, Morphle. Your turn, Jordie.
1 Morphle.
Yeah, there's only one Morphle because you're so special. Yeah, you're awesome.
One Morphle?
Wait, I know what might help you feel better.
Huh?
Come on. Maybe there are other Morphles. This is Daddy's special book about the magic pet world. The magic pet world. All magic pets come from here.
Morphle too?
Yeah, Morphle. It's a magical place called Kaleido. It says, when a magic pet is needed in our world, a pet portal will appear. Oh, you must have come through one to join our family.
Yeah!
I wonder how you open a pet portal. Whoa! Wait, I've seen that star before. Let's go! Where are we going? The star in here looks like the one on the Magic Pet Center. You're right, Morphle. Can we get a closer look?
Morphle! Morphle!
Whoa! What's happening? I don't know! Wow! Whoa! Are those
Baby Morphles?
Oh, they're so cute! Oh, let's follow them! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah!
Where babies?
Up there! Let's go! Come on, Morphle. Help me plant this flower for Daddy. Wow! Ooh, I wonder what's inside. It's a treasure map. Well, part of a treasure map. See this X? This means the next piece of the map is at the park. A piece of a treasure map? Nice! I'll let Mila and Morphle find the rest of the map, then take it for myself. Good thinking, Winston. This is where the X is. We have to dig next to that tree. Great digging, Morphle. Yeah, it's the second piece of the map. Look, another X. This one's up the mountain. Up on the mountain? Come on, Morphle. Whoa! This is where the second X should be. Morphle! I know! Morph into a Triceratops and smash it! Uh-oh! Woohoo! Look, Morphle! It's the last piece of the map! Treasure! And I think I know where it's buried. Oh, take that. Thank you very much. Winston! Don't worry, Morphle. This isn't over yet. This is where the treasure must be. The treasure is at the beach. I'm almost there. Aha! Treasure, here I come! Woohoo! Come on, Morphle! This is it, Morphle. Morphle, morph into an excavator and let's get that treasure! Keep digging, Morphle! We're so close! Ooh, could it be? Ooh, a treasure chest! Wow! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. And a chest full of treasure! I'm so excited, Morphle! I can't believe Daddy set up this whole jungle adventure for us. We're off to find the prize Daddy hid. I mean, the mysterious lost magic pet of gold. Aha! Footprints. Maybe they'll lead us to the treasure.
Morphle loves treasure.
That was close! Morphle, can you get us across?
Mila, ready?
Ready! Yahoo! Cool! Look, Morphle! A cave! Let's see what's inside. There it is! We found the lost magic pet of gold! Watch out, Morphle! It's coming right for us! Morphle, do something! We should all share it, Orphle.
No catastrophe.
Let's get after him, Morphle.
Orphle's treasure.
Come on, Orphle. The treasure belongs to all of us. It's landed in quicksand.
No, my precious. Oh, no.
Forget about the treasure. We need to save Orphle.
Orphle okay? Orphle's treasure not okay.
Well, you're more important than treasure, Orphle.
Orphle, sorry.
How'd you and Morphle like your adventure, Mila?
Daddy! We loved it. But the lost magic pet of gold is lost again.
I guess you and Morphle will just have to go on another adventure.
Orphle play too. Yay! Thank you.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Or two. I'm so excited about our science project. Ooh, you know what would make it even better? Huh? Come on! Professor Pala, can we please borrow your time portal to get the one last thing we need for our science project?
Sure. I love seeing kids so interested in science. Be safe.
Okay, we need something that will make our diorama look perfect. Huh? How about a rock? That's perfect, Jordie. Morphle, morph into a truck that can carry it home with us.
Okay, Mila.
Woohoo! Yeah! Now let's get to the science fair. Whee! Huh? A T-Rex? There's only one thing that can stop a T-Rex. An even bigger T-Rex.
Morph, morph, morph!
Yes! I know! Morphle, morph into a tiny T-Rex. It might think you're its baby.
Mama!
Whoa! It's not a rock! It's a dinosaur egg! No wonder that T-Rex followed us. We accidentally took one of her eggs. Sorry, Mrs. T-Rex. That gives me an idea. Morphle, see if the baby dinosaur will follow you back to the portal.
Okay.
Go, Morphle! Bye! Yeah, we did it! Quick, to the science fair! Welcome to our prehistoric jungle!
Oh, I love it.
Yay! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. I can't wait to go ice skating. Wow! Thanks, Catmo!
Morphle lovers! Whoopsie!
Cool!
Huh? This looks like an ice rink for babies. With that magic pet, I could make the biggest ice rink in the world. Wanna try my slushie? Now, make me a huge ice rink. Oi! Careful, you'll get a brain freeze. Told ya. Oh, yes! This is amazing! Haha, my ice rink is better than yours.
Poor Catmo. We have to warm her up before she turns pet port into ice port. Let's go.
Stop right there. Do as I say. I'm Officer Freeze.
Woo! This is amazing! Huh? No, no, no! Ah! What's cool?
Oh, no. Thanks. Catmo, come get nice and warm in this. Morphle, morph into something speedy.
Morphle, Morphle!
Let's get her. There she is. Get out! Awesome! Loop the loop, Morphle!
Mila ready?
Ready! Got you! Woo! It's okay, Catmo. Can you help us turn things back to normal, please? Now, let's get you warm.
What? Stop Catchy's hop.
Yummy!
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Let's make the most awesome Father's Day card ever! Aha! It's good, but we need to make it really special.
Oh, wow!
Yodel, yodel, yodel.
Great work, Mimi!
Yodel, yodel, yodel.
Oh no! Daddy will be home soon! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a helicopter! I can't see it anywhere!
Yodel, yodel.
Go to the lights!
Whoa! Dancing lampposts? Not in my city.
Animi, zap the lamppost back to normal!
Yodel.
No, not again!
Yodel, yodel. Yodel.
Huh? Ooh.
Animi, we need to zap the crane back to normal! Sorry, Builder Mary.
Yodel, yodel.
Ah, there's Daddy! We need to get the card and then get back to the Magic Pet Center before he does!
Yodel, yodel.
How do you catch a card on the loose? I know! An envelope! You can do it, Morphle! Oh, no! It's gonna get completely destroyed! You did it, Morphle! Now, let's get back home before Daddy does.
There we go. Home at last.
Surprise!
Yodel, yodel.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy!
Yodel, yodel.
The card got really messed up.
Oh, it's the thought that counts. This is the best Father's Day card ever. Come here. Oh.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Yodel, yodel.
Here, Mila.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh, balloons!
The garden looks great, Daddy, but I think we need more balloons.
More? I think you're right. Come on, let's get some.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Whoa. Oh.
Oh no! We've got a flat tire!
Floating air!
Oh
Stop! Whoa.
no!
We'll rescue you as soon as we can, Daddy. But first, we need to get that helium from Orphle.
You go, Mila. I'll stay with the van.
Woohoo! Woohoo! What a fun landing! Let's go.
What? Not in my car.
Hey, I've heard of an ice cream float, but this is crazy.
Hang on!
You better be quick, because we're drifting towards the sea.
Huh?
Help!
April, can I please use your string to stop those cars from floating away? Sure. You better be quick. Thanks. I know how we can get them down. I can be a cowgirl and you can be my horse.
Horsey! Yeehaw! too high.
Then morph into a giant gorilla.
Help, Mila! Oh.
Pull them down, Morphle, and we'll let the air out of the tires.
Thanks, Mila.
Thank you for rescuing us.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to go rescue Orphle?
Ready.
Wow, cool!
Ooh, what that?
It's my new drone.
That was amazing, Jordie!
Thanks. It's the best drone ever.
I want that drone.
My drone! It's flying by itself.
Come on!
Whoa! This thing's tricky to steer.
Another lovely day in Petport. Whoa! What's going on? I'll stop this menace. Whoa!
Officer Freeze!
How do you control this thing?
Somebody help me!
Don't worry, Officer Freeze! We're coming for you! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a fire truck! It's okay, Officer Freeze! Grab my hand!
Thanks, you three. What is that thing?
It's my new drone, but it's flying by itself.
It's not flying by itself. It's flying by Winston. Look!
Stop, you silly drone!
After him!
What are we going to do?
Morphle! Morph into a crane! Drag the bus back to safety! Good job, Morphle!
Whew. Thanks, guys.
Oh, that close.
The drone! After it!
Get back here! Ah! Stop! No, please!
We have to get that remote control.
And I know how! Morphle, morph into a helicopter!
What, you useless thing? Oh!
Stay still, Morphle!
Morphle, try.
Thank you.
Hurry, Mila.
Great job, Mila.
Here you go, Jordie.
This is how you fly a drone.
Nicely done. Every day's a magical day with a magic cat.
Hi, Mr. Vanderboos.
Hi, Barky.
Ow, my back. Now I can't take you for a walk, Barky.
Ooh, would you like us to take Barky for you, Mr. Vanderboos?
Well, I suppose you could. Here's his lead, and here are his favorite treats.
Let's go!
He's a good doggy. He's a good doggy.
You won't run away if I take this off, will you, Barky? Barky! How do we get him back? Barky! Barky! Morphle! He's getting on that bus! This is not good! We can't lose Barky! Wow! Great morph, Morphle! Boing, 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 boing. Stop! Good boy, Barky. Let's get your lead back on. You've gotta be kidding. We have to tell Builder Mary. Morphle, morph into a hang glider. Stay there, Barky.
Huh?
Builder Mary, Barky's in danger. You have to put the girder down carefully. Phew.
Oh, doggy. Doggies play.
Morphle? Oh, no. Not again. I have no idea how we're going to get Barky back to Mr. Vanderboos.
Morphle down now. Huh?
Now that's a treat.
The dog treats. No dog can resist the dog treats. Morphle, morph into something that's really fast. Come on, boy. Come get your treats. Here, boy. Yay! Those are meant for dogs, Orphle. Not magic pets. Orphle.
Did you have a good walk, boy? What's wrong with him?
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Morphle, this flower is going to make our garden even more beautiful. What's that, Professor Paula?
It's my new invention, the multicolor cloner.
Huh?
Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Me! Orphle? Oh, no!
Uh-oh. Quick, Morphle! After them! We've got to do something. A vacuum cleaner? Good thinking, Morphle. We need a better plan. Did you hear that, Morphle? Quick!
Mila! Morphle! Help!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll help you. I know. Let them eat cake. Morphle, morph into a flying house.
Okay, Mila.
There's lots of cake in here. Ha-ha! Trap them!
No cake! Ice cream!
Well, this didn't work either.
Ice cream!
Orphles want ice cream.
Yes! That's how we'll catch them. Morph into a giant ice cream with legs. Orphles, come get some ice cream.
Ice cream!
Morphle, run!
Oh, look, ice cream!
Woohoo! It's working! Keep running, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! The clones have gone.
Well done, Mila and Morphle.
Orphle wanted ice cream.
Ice cream! Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Don't look into his eyes. Morphle, they're running away. Quick, morph into a horse. A flying horse? Even better.
Cake, prepare to be arrested inside my mouth. Huh? Animals on the loose? Not in my...
Don't worry, Officer Freeze. We'll fix this.
Whoa!
We need to stop the wild animals. You're a genius, Morphle. We'll build a wall to block their way. April, we'll come back for these animals after we save that monkey. Love your sunglasses, by the way.
Thanks.
We need to stop that cheeky monkey. Wait for it. Gotcha. Oh no! April's hypnotized.
No, I'm not. I was talking to a new friend.
Your sunglasses. They protected you from getting hypnotized. Can I borrow them, please? Look! The animals are back to normal! I think you're just trying to make friends, not hypnotize anyone.
You know, as your new look is a Hoot, I think you should keep the sunglasses.
That was delicious.
Our first Thanksgiving together.
As one big happy family.
Yay!
Who's ready for dessert?
Ooh, I can't wait for your famous pumpkin pie, Mom. Just wait until you guys taste it. Oh, the yummiest pumpkin pie in the world. No, Telepup. This is for everyone.
Down, Telepup.
Where they go? We gotta find them, quick! Let's go! Get us down, Telepup. Calm down, Telepup. Jordie! Telepup! Where are you? Mila! Morphle! Up here! Help! Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Leave it alone, Telepup.
Telepup, the pie is for everyone. Come back to the Magic Pet Center so we can all have some.
Let's keep searching, Morphle. Telepup, stop being so naughty. How are we going to catch a teleporting pup?
Morphle, no idea.
I know! Morphle, can you morph into a ball, please?
A ball?
Yeah, that's the only thing doggies love more than food. Oh, Telepup, look what I've got. When you get to the trees, morph into a net and catch Telepup.
Okay, Mila.
Jordie, quick, run back home. What? Not again. Oh, no. Telepup, can we just go back to the Magic Pet Center? Morphle, the pie!
Well, I'm thankful we can all be together.
And I'm thankful for my new mom and brother. And of course, you, Morphle.
Awful thankful for Mila and pie.
I'm so excited you're moving in, Jordie.
Wow, Daddy Deanna married.
Being a new stepbrother and living with the magic pets is going to be awesome, Mila.
Jordie family.
We're going to get the rest of our things so we can properly move into our new home.
Okay, Mom.
Mila, why don't you and Morphle help Jordie settle in?
Sure thing, Daddy. Let's start with this. It's so heavy. Animi, can you please zap the bed to life? Wow. Jordie's bed. Could you please trot upstairs? My bed just ran away! That's the weirdest thing I've ever said. You'll get used to that. Come on, let's catch it! There's my bed. We've got to get close enough for Animi to zap it again.
Muffin now!
Let's get that bed! Whoa! Is this safe? Don't worry, Jordie. Morphle's got you.
Huh? A galloping bed? Not in my city.
Sorry, Officer Freeze. Yeah! Zap it, Animi! Ooh! Maybe we should just buy a new bed. Let's use our nets. Almost. Got it! Let's try another way. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Mila, what's happening? I've got an idea, but you're not gonna like it. You're right! I don't like it! Yeah! Get closer, Morphle! Got you! Hold on tight! Whoa! Time to take this bed hunt to the next level. There's another level? Well done, Morphle. Now let's cover it. Here comes my bed. Now, Morphle! It's working! Almost! Great job, Morphle. That's it, bed. Nowhere to go. Stop it, Animi.
Is everyone okay? What have you been up to?
We've just been making my bed.
Hey, why don't we ask Animi to help get your bed upstairs?
No thanks. We'll help you carry it.
Oh, pretty. Present from Morphle?
Not yet, Morphle. See, here in Petport, everyone puts their presents under this one big tree. Then we open them all together.
Morphle, wait for everyone.
Orphle, what are you doing here?
Orphle want presents now. Orphle!
The presents! Hey!
Orphle!
Please, more presents for Orphle!
Humbug!
We need to go fast. Morphle, morph into a snowmobile.
Stop. Go. Stop. Go.
Orphle! Stop!
Not in my city.
Where did he go?
No catch Orphle!
Look out, Orphle!
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Give back the presents now.
Orphles presents!
Orphle, stop! What's more important to you? Presents or friends?
Presents? Friends! Presents! Friends! Presents! Friends! Orphles presents!
Morphle, morph into a sled and we'll catch those presents! Yay, we did it, Orphle! Here you go.
Orphle, sorry. Wanted present too.
Surprise!
Present for Orphle? Orphle, love it!
Bah! Humbug.
Mr. Vanderboos, Morphle and I have a present for you. I hope you like it.
Bah! Barky? Aww.
Merry Christmas!